What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back on the pickup. So we got a special unboxing coming straight from Adidas. Today we have another shoe coming straight from the line of the AE1 lows. This, of course, is a colorway that I think you guys are gonna love. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what exactly does 110 get you? It gets a shoe that looks just like this, as well as a pair of extra laces that looks just like this. This blue is want to match the blue that's on the back of the shoe as well as what's on the bottom of the shoe. This is amazing, as well as the inside and right here as well. For 110, you get an incredibly, I don't want to say incredibly soft, but you do get a basketball shoe that adds comfort as well as style. A little bit of reflective material right here, 3M. This shoe is amazing for the price, not even for the price, just amazing, period. Definitely, as soon as you wear these, you're going to feel the level of responsiveness in these. You can feel the boost and the Lightstrike. All right, so now we get into the good stuff. So this shoe, of course, does have the boost, as I was telling you guys before. It is light boost mixed with the Lightstrike. Now, the thing about the shoe that makes it very interesting to me is that this silhouette is very, very similar, and I believe influential to another shoe, which of course is the Harden 9s. And if you look, the structure of the shoe is very, very much similar. I mean, look at it. It's damn near the same shoe. Now, I'm pretty certain I used the same mold for this shoe as this one. However, I think this shoe picks up where this shoe leaves off, just for this particular shoe, as far as my expectations of what I would have wanted to see. The colorway is very, very similar. The champagne looks nice on this shoe. The lucid blue was a nice little hint to the accent. And then the black is black. I think it's called this core black. But the thing that I wanted to show you guys, as I told you before in the other video when I did a review on these, how these things will crease up on you. This is maybe 3 days of wearing these on my regular job. So if you was to ball in these for 1 day, these definitely look a lot worse. But, you know, you gotta pay to play. So I really wish the material that they use for this is what they use for this shoe. Because then, hands down, this would be the greatest shoe in my opinion. Now, if I had to choose between which one of these, this one definitely does feel a little bit better. I mean, right out the box, you're gonna feel the boost just a little bit, not a lot, probably about this amount of boost that's in the shoe. Well, maybe this amount. You can't even see it, probably from like here to here. It's just a little bit of boost. This one, you have to really break these in to feel it. And the fitting is still pretty much the same. You're gonna feel your toe probably right around this area right here. These aren't very wide. They say regular fit, but I recommend going half a size up. But very breathable. And then what do we have right here? You know, oh, they did make a change. This is his actual new logo now since the first piece came out for the AE1s. This is his logo. You see it right here. And you see his logo right here. I believe on the first pair I did a review on, it had his signature. I'm pretty certain he did have a signature. And this is material right here is reflective. Overall, this is a great shoe, man. I would definitely buy these again. So putting these on, you're gonna need 2 hands. They say these are a relaxed fit. However, I do recommend going half a size up because they're a little bit narrow. But if you go half a size up, you should be fine. And see the boost just a little bit. Now these are reflective. Now taking these off, you can do that with, yeah, you can do it with no hands. But let's just see for comparison, the Harden 9s. A little bit more of a struggle to put these on, but everything's pretty much identical. And then Alexa, lights off. So you guys can see the reflective. Can you see the reflective? You should be able to see. This should pick up on the camera. But yeah. two hands take these off. I don't lost my whole sock. You see it? Yeah, reflector. Got you on camera. Little stinky booty self. What you gotta say?